Okay, today we're going to be replacing the oil filter on a 2013 N20 BMW engine, also known as the 2.0 turbo. The first thing you're going to do, it's right here near the oil cooler. You unscrew it. All right. And then you're going to see your filter. It's probably going to be stuck in here like I do with all my videos. I loosen everything up first so you guys don't want to see me fiddling around. All right, you're going to take it out like that. Of course, you're going to have to drain the oil. If you do, obviously you're going to be doing an oil change, you drain the oil first. So, because it has a drain back over here, which you can do. Or you're going to probably have to suck out the oil. There's going to not be that much oil in it. You just take it out with a rag, and when you put the new one in, you're fine. All right? Now, one thing you got to remember, when you're replacing it, always make sure it's the same size. It looks exactly the same. All right? It's good to get a factory one. And over here, there's going to be an O-ring right in this groove. This is the old O-ring, and people forget there's another O-ring right at the tip here. And what that does, it seals, it gives you the best filtration as possible, because that little O-ring seals in this part over here. Some people leave it out or they forget to replace it. It's just a good idea to replace it, and it keeps your oil pressure, everything at the proper way, because these cars are very finicky. They'll throw a code, so you just want to make sure that that O-ring is replaced and the one that goes around here. Okay? And it's very simple to do. You just take the old one off. You know, you unscrew, take the old one off with an old screwdriver. All right? And I'll show you, because I'm doing it with one hand. Hold on. Okay, and I like when they're different colors, so when you're taking them out, you could see them, so you don't forget. Okay, and it goes in that groove right there. It doesn't go all the way on the top. You see the top has like a little plastic things. It goes in this groove, the second groove down. Okay, and then what I like to do is put the filter first. You see, it goes over there. You see. You just make sure it's pretty straight. Okay, not too much pressure. See, nice and straight. And then, if it's not already it doesn't already have oil on it, just lube them up, the O-rings. There you go, like this. Make sure you don't cross thread it, it's plastic. Okay. You do it hand tight and then just a little bit more. You do it hand tight until it doesn't go anymore. Makes a nice tight seal. And then either you use this type with an extension, but I don't have that type. They're that big, or this. Use filter wrench. As soon as you feel it stops, that's it. Just snug it up. Don't go any more tighter than that, because the O-ring does its job, and that's it. All right, and that's how you replace it the proper way. Motorcarnut, please subscribe, hit that like button. Any comments, just leave them below. I try to answer them as soon as I can. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.